Hi.
Hi, it's so cute. It's the beautiful high. It's sky. Bye bye. Hi guys. Nice to see you. It's gone.
Come on, Jake.
We're getting in the pool.
We getting in the pool?
Uh-huh.
You gotta take the cover off.
Yeah. I'm going to do the back side.
You doing the back side?
Yeah, right here.
You got it?
I'm just doing that side. Don't let me do it. Don't do it.
You helping get the cover off the pool? I got it. Hold on, because I don't want to get the grass in there. It's nice and warm. Don't put the... It's warm. Jade's cleaning the pool. Pool cleaning.
You.
Jade's cleaning the pool. You got that bug? Oh, look, she got one.
Whoa, sit down.
You got one. You got one.
It's so big. It looks like a big giant spider. It looks so big. It's still in the pool?
Mm-hmm.
I see a little one.
You got a little one.
No. There's some more spiders left, Mom?
Let's help Jade find a spider. Do you guys see one? Right here. It's not a spider though, they're pretend spiders. Not real ones, people.
Whoa, I look really spiders. They look like the corn Alright. It's good.
It's good?
Huh? Ah. When you're swimming with your baby, when you're swimming with your